Ahmadi, and I'm from Afghanistan. I'm in the toilet teacher. Problems is Taliban and Daesh. My house is in Ghazni and work to the Kabul. To the 1 week I come to the family, to Taliban and Daesh. You cannot job to this side. I'm coming to Iran and Iran to Turkey. To the Iran and Turkey, the border is 12 hours to walking for the. But my one number of problems. My wife is pregnant to walking come to Turkey, and the border to my wife's accident for pregnant time. It's very bad for me. In 10 hours I go to the border in Macedonia. 10 hours go, and 1 hour is the 5 night walking to go to the Macedonia, and Macedonia police can get and come back to Greece. And Afghanistan to Greece, $50,000. I sell to car, to house only. Anyway, sell to give money, come here. I want to go to Germany. I want to live to peace, only peace. But my baby to go to the school and study, only this. First to peace and my baby to study.